Hi everyone, welcome back to Lissy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today, let's make delicious jollof spaghetti or pasta. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So to cook your spaghetti, first add your spaghetti into your pot of boiled hot water. Then add salt, cover the pot and let it cook for 7 to 11 minutes. And after that, use your spatula to give it a quick stir. Then take the spaghetti off the heat. Use your sieve to drain the water. So the next step is to make your spaghetti or pasta sauce. Place your pan on the heat, add some vegetable oil and let it heat up. Then add your sliced onion, stir fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add your tomato mixture. This is just combination of fresh tomatoes and hot chili. Stir fry the tomato while you stir it continuously until the tomato boils down. And next add your stock cube, salt, dried thyme, curry powder, dried parsley leaf, add your powdered ginger, then use your spatula to stir it. So the next step is to add in your meat stock. Then use a spatula to give it a quick stir. Then add in your parboiled spaghetti or pasta. So after you're done adding your parboiled spaghetti, use a spatula to stir it and make sure you mix everything together. After you're done, cover the pot and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. And while you are waiting for your spaghetti to cook, go ahead and prepare your stir-fried vegetables. So next, place your pan on the heat, spray some vegetable oil and let it heat up. Then add your green bell pepper, red bell pepper, green beans and carrots. Then add some curry powder and salt. Stir fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low heat. And once you are done, take it off the heat. So 5 minutes later, check on your spaghetti. Add in your stir-fried vegetables. Use your spatula and give it a quick stir to mix the stir-fried vegetables and your pasta. Once you are done, go ahead and serve and enjoy your spaghetti. So finally guys, this is what your spaghetti or pasta should look like. And don't forget to try out this recipe at home. And also like and share this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Bye.